everybody, Denny here. Let's go paint some bricks in our archway, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. I've gotten a head start here, putting stones in, and I've got a combination of let's see, burnt sienna, yellow ochre, and violet all working together to give me nice dark tones. And we're just putting these things in random because the eye really isn't going to care. Now, I went ahead and I did some of that, okay? Now we're just putting in the random ones. And as we jumble these together, we're going to get an appearance of a roughly hewn stone wall, which is exactly what we're looking for. See how they start to work together? And I'm using paint almost directly, well, essentially directly out of the tube, so it's thick. And that's what we want for this part of our painting. We want a nice thick paint so that it goes on where we want it, it stays where we want it, and we're not fighting it getting transparent, okay? We just put them together like this, and we let some of the white show through. That's perfectly okay. And we can come in a little bit later if we want, and we can highlight things here and there, okay? But for right now, this is all that we're interested in doing. We gotta get the wall in, and by golly, it looks as though we've got it in. Okay, and there we go, just like that. And if we look at this from a distance, you're going to think, oh my goodness, there is a rock wall over the top of that thing. We'll just put the top on just like that. Okay, just like that. Now be with me tomorrow, and we'll start putting some greenery in, okay? Thanks for being here today. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link so you get all notifications from that bell. Leave us a comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And, okay, I don't feel half as tired as I would have had those been real bricks, okay? Be with me tomorrow, and we'll put some greenery around the place. I'll meet you here, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.